Hello foodies, thank you for tuning in. Today we have got you a weekend special recipe. This hot and spicy chicken starter goes by the name chicken lollipop. Take 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1 tablespoon chickpea flour, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, pinch of food color, half tablespoon of chili powder. Add some pepper and some salt to taste. Now we add some chicken masala and little bit of garam masala. Mix all the ingredients to form a smooth batter. Add 250 grams French chicken wings to the batter and mix well. For best results, marinate for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a pan, and when it's hot enough, deep fry the pieces in medium flame. Once the chicken is cooked, we will set aside and deep fry again. This will make the chicken crunchy and hard on the outside. Serve it hot with onion rings and some salad. What is your favorite chicken starter? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching MahinaFoods.